We, in recent years, have approved, quite a number of important products that are based on understanding the underlying genetic composition of a tumor, specific traits of a person, and a targeted therapy where there's a link to a diagnostic and the therapy that's given. And we've seen some things that are transformative. It doesn't have to be a cure, that's the goal, but things that are extending life in very meaningful ways. And one drug for cystic fibrosis is only for a very small number of patients who have a specific genetic marker. But cystic fibrosis is a disease that we've never had a treatment for the underlying mechanism of disease, only for the symptoms. These kids that are now getting this new drug based on the genetic diagnostic marker are actually now getting off the transplant list and getting onto the soccer field. Wow. So it's really amazing to see. So that tells me there is progress and there will be more. Also, many of the drugs that are currently in use now have, as part of their label, genetic information to better tailor their use, whether it's if you have a certain genetic trait, you may respond differently to that drug and have unacceptable side effects. There's an AIDS drug, an antiviral that's very important for care, but it was going out of use because too many people were having side effects that were intolerable. But now we know that some have it, some don't, and we can still get that drug to the patients who need it. Or another drug, a blood thinning drug. We know that if you have a certain marker, you will metabolize the drug differently, and you need to start with a lower dose. So this is a drug that's hard to manage in terms of getting the dose right. So this is enormously helpful to the physician and to the patients. So we're seeing this in the real world, and there'll be lots more discoveries and lots more opportunities to apply this exciting new science to real world products for people.